What is Deeper? Deeper is a lifestyle brand I created to help people live their best lives through the pursuit of creativity, health and wellness, travel, and spirituality. Deeper is a suite of products and experiences that I've designed to help you become your most creative, productive, and brilliant self. In addition to the Deeper Yoga Studio, the Deeper blog, and the new music and meditation experience, Deeper Vibrations, I've created the Deeper Retreat, an international annual retreat designed to help truth seekers discover their deepest purpose in life through a balanced programming of external adventure and inward introspection.
There's a sort of magic that happens when you combine the inner journey of doing the personal work with the outward journey of being in an amazing country with all these amazing sights and doing these new things you'd never be able to do back home. The theme of the retreat starts with this concept that we're all just visitors on this planet. So for example, visitors are curious and they're open, they bring gifts, arrive with intentions, and at the end, visitors go home. It's a sort of affirming thing to realize that you only have so much time left and that you should really be living your fullest, most meaningful life.
It made me realize I'm only a part of something bigger, and I think the people around me realize that too. You don't really know what it's going to be like until you get there. When you look out here and see the Alps, it kind of reminds you how complex life is and how you're only a little speck.
Who goes to the Deeper Retreat? A group of adventure seekers who ask deep questions about life and like to be in the company of others who are also in the constant practice of mindfulness and self-improvement.
Honestly, what made this place was the people around me. Because I could have came here by myself, and I still would have enjoyed it, I would say, but I don't think I would have enjoyed it quite as much.
This year, the Deeper Retreat took us to Mürren, Switzerland. Each day was jam-packed with activities that nourished the body and mind. We started each morning with a different hike in the Swiss Alps.
So anything from glaciers to waterfalls to summiting mountains, from what some of us did.
And we'd come back to specialty-made, home-cooked meals.
Chef Liza would make us some vegan, vegetarian meals every day. Everything from we'd curry one day, we had some sort of lentil soup. So, super grateful that she was here. She did an amazing job.
We expanded our minds through meditation and daily yoga classes.
I think personal development is such an amorphous thing that's really hard to enact. The thing I love about yoga is that you're literally moving through time and space and moving your body. And when you talk about something as ambiguous as mindfulness, you really bring it down to the concrete. You're able to say, hey, am I moving my arm in this specific way? And is that causing havoc in the rest of my body? In other words, can I be aware of one action and how that action affects the whole? Whether that's the whole of the rest of yourself or the people around you. Honestly, yoga is just 1 hour of the day. We spend the majority of the time just exploring this amazing country, doing these hikes. Some people have done some climbing.
And of course, made time to deeply connect to each other and to have fun. And from there, we went even deeper. Each night, I led students through a series of personal development exercises designed to help them discover their deeper life purpose. I asked questions that are deep and piercing, but within an atmosphere of openness and non-judgment to encourage each person to share their internal journey.
I felt extremely comfortable with everyone here. Kind of different when you're sharing people who you've just met because they don't know your past. All that they know is that you're right here, right now. We all have problems deep down, but all that matters is that we're talking about them.
These sessions get raw and real, but by opening up and showing vulnerability, we connected to the truth within and to those around us.
Everyone was teary-eyed at least once. So it was super intense, but not in a way that was uncomfortable. It was a very supportive environment.
The Deeper Retreat is all about dualities, the outward adventure and the inward quest for truth, inner connection to ourselves and outer connection with others, discipline and working hard, but also laughter and having fun.
And I think it's that balance, right? The external, internal, the intellectual and emotional, and all those components together really create for a good group dynamic where you do feel safe to get into some of the most important things about your life.
Deeper is based on the most potent spiritual truth I've discovered in my personal pursuit of excellence, in the arts, athleticism, and spirituality. That becoming your highest, most true version of yourself starts with the realization that you are a part of something bigger, that your purpose is connected to the greater whole. I think that life is really just a balancing act between doing everything you can to manifest the life that you want, but then also you have to fully surrender to something greater than you, because ultimately we're all just a part of something bigger. There's a sweetness to life when we can embrace duality, to equally work hard and to enjoy the ride, to practice self-care and to serve others, to show gratitude for what we already have, but to stay driven and to always keep going deeper.